Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Deborah, and in today's video we're going to be talking about 3 rules to be successful with affiliate marketing on Instagram. So we're going to go over 3 rules that I think are things that you should keep in mind when either first starting your Instagram affiliate marketing journey or thinking about growing an Instagram account in general, building a brand, things like that. So make sure you guys are following along. There's are going to be some great information being shared here today. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so again, if you are just seeing this video, we're going to be talking about the 3 rules to be successful with affiliate marketing on Instagram. We're going to take a look at some tips and some things that I've compiled here today that I feel that you should know if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing on Instagram, or if you're trying to grow an Instagram account in general. These things will help you out with being successful with that, as well as helping out with things like engagement, your content that you're posting, and different things like that. So I hope you guys are excited. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started here today. So the first rule that I think is going to be important is to basically share solutions. Don't share your products on every single post that you're posting. So again, with like any kind of affiliate marketing, you don't want to sit there and spam someone with your stuff. You actually want to be kind of like an authority within your niche. You want to be the guy that has all the information that people are looking for. So you want to be providing value to your audience in terms of, giving them some nice articles to read or videos to watch, templates, ebooks, downloads, all types of things that you can give out to give something valuable for them, and not necessarily always asking for the sale. So again, don't post your affiliate product on every single thing you post on your accounts. It's not genuine, and it kind of makes you look like a bot. You might get a few sales like this, but overall, your overall Instagram affiliate marketing journey isn't going to be too successful with this. You're not going to make a ton of profits. You might be able to hit like $100 a day with doing things like this, but it's not going to be good overall. And then as for posting, you want to make sure that you aren't over posting. So on other social media sites like maybe Tumblr or Twitter, you might be able to get away with posting constantly throughout the day to gain traffic to where you're wanting it to go. Instagram is kind of the opposite. You only want to post maybe 1 or 2 times a day within your feed, wanting to make it relevant to what you're talking about, something super engaging, something that people are going to want to comment on, and not over post it. If you're wanting to post a lot, what I typically recommend is to post on Instagram stories. And what this does is it allows you to post around 6 to 8 times, maybe 6 to 10 times a day, about content that is relevant to what your page is about. So if you're wanting to post a lot, it's recommended to do it that way, just because people kind of skip through them really quick if it's not something they're really interested in. They're not really scrolling and having to see your big paragraph or whatever you're writing about on your feed. So keep that in mind as well. And then also, how often you post is pretty much less important than being consistent. So you want to make it a hard and fast rule to post on the same days at the same time every week. So the smarter brands and the smarter people will basically use analytics with their pages to find out when the engagement is best, at what times a day people are awake, and basically how their audience communicates with their pages. So that way you can set up a schedule of when is the best time to post to your audience and giving you the best results. So that's going to be rule 1. It's pretty much all around posting here. Rule 2 is to be sociable. So after all, this is social media, so you need to be a part of the community that you're promoting in. So when you're using some sort of hashtag, you're pretty much a part of that community now, and that means that you need to also interact with other people posting. So you're going to want to comment on their photos, compliment them, make observations about what they're talking about, and reply to them. And obviously, if you can, share it with other people as well too. So when you do that, it's going to help you out with being more visible. So other people who are on their pages are going to see your account, then they're going to be able to come to your page as well. So that's always nice. Plus, the people that you're commenting on are going to be like, who is this? And start checking you out as well. So that's one big thing. The next thing is to respond to any comments that you might get. So any comments that you might get in your stories or in your DMs, or on your Instagram feeds themselves, on your posts, you want to make sure that you answer them. So, of course, no one wants to be the person that is ignored. So even just a simple thank you for your support or thank you for watching will go a long way with people interacting with your brand, as well as it makes them want to talk to you more in the future, which helps with making you more relevant on their feed and a bunch of other things that go into the Instagram algorithm. So this is something else that you want to keep in mind as well. And then lastly, the third rule that I think is probably one of the most crucial is to set up like a content calendar where you can plan out either your week or a month in advance on what you're going to be posting, when you're going to be posting it. That way you always have something consistently going, and it applies to the rule that we said, rule number 1, where being consistent is pretty much more important than posting constantly throughout the day. So in terms of that, make sure you do your homework and also take a look at your competition. You can see what kind of posts they're posting that have great engagement rates, have a lot of likes, have a lot of comments, and you can kind of twist it and make your own posts around similar things, which should in return give you kind of the same results. So, I mean, it's not rocket science, as you guys see. It's pretty easy to be able to go on to one of your competitors' page and see what they're doing. So another thing that you can do, if you watched the video yesterday, you can see tools like IG Blade, where you can kind of take more in-depth analytics of your competitors, of their posts, of their page growth, different things like that. So all these things can kind of help you out with all of your Instagram affiliate marketing.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.